Well, hello again everyone and welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. Today I'm going to make something I ate a lot growing up, and it's a very frugal recipe. It's something that when we really didn't have any money, we could make this and it just cost almost nothing. I loved it then, I love it now, and I'm going to share this with you because it is very frugal, it is very easy, and it's tasty. So today I'm going to make my homemade pan-fried spaghetti. To start this out, it's so simple. You're going to heat up your pan, and I'm using cast iron just because that's what we always used. Okay, and we're going to put some oil in the pan. I'm using olive oil, mostly because that's what I use all the time. But you could use vegetable oil, whatever type you have. And you just want to coat the pan. And then we're just going to add our spaghetti noodles, uncooked. And you just make as much as you need for your family. I like to make a little extra because we love it, so generally have leftovers. And if you've made my Spanish rice before, or you've made rice-a-roni out of the box, that's all we're doing here. We're just going to lightly brown these spaghetti noodles. So the first thing I do is just try and get all the noodles coated with the oil. Okay, now they're just going to start browning, and it'll take a few minutes. So let me bring you back when they're starting to get browned. Alright, it's getting pretty browned now. This is what I want to see, and it's not going to be 100% browned, but that's okay. So now I've got a 28-ounce can of whole peeled tomatoes. Water. I think I'm going to add just a little more than that. Okay. Now I'm just going to add some granulated garlic, and there are no measurements. You just kind of put some in till it looks right, and to taste. I'm going to put some Italian seasoning, probably a tablespoon. And maybe a tablespoon and a half of oregano. and a pinch of salt. Now I'm just going to stir this up a little bit. Break these tomatoes up just a little bit more. But you don't care if there's big old chunks. That's just the way we like it. Okay, now I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and then I'm going to cover it, and we're going to let it cook probably 20 to 25 minutes. We want all the water absorbed, and we want the pasta fully cooked. Alright, I brought this to a boil, and this is what it looks like. And it already smells so good. So now I'm just going to let this simmer on a lower heat till it's finished. And I'm going to make some Italian sausage links to go with it. Yum. Alright, I let this cook about 25 minutes covered. And then I stirred it up a little bit and tasted it and made sure that the seasonings were right and that the spaghetti was done. So it's ready. You know, there were so many times when money was tight where this is what we ate a lot of because it didn't cost much, it was filling, and boy did it ever taste good. So look at that. Added a nice sausage to it. Let me get some Parmesan cheese and then we'll take a taste. Alright, here we go. Now let's take a taste of this. That's so good. It's simple, it's easy, and it's very inexpensive, so it's just a nice meal. And no matter whether I have money or not, we're still going to have this because we love it. And it reminds us of other times in our lives where we stuck together as a family because that's what we had the most of. So thank you for watching, and thank you for visiting Vickie's Country Home. I hope you like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And I hope you give this a try. So thank you for watching, and we'll talk again soon.